Hi guys. Hi, welcome to our home. We decided just on a whim to do this morning, and I just wanted to show you our new house. God blessed us with this house, and luckily we're not going to be worrying about rent. So we're trying to fix it up. We've started some work on like the walls. It's this very funny yellow right now. And we're trying to like screw it and paint and make it look very nice. I really don't like this arch here, but the house was built some time back. If we want to break it, it's a lot of structural refurbishing, so we're just going to have to do it quick. So the parlor is quite sizable. My love, please could you come up to me and show the parlor? No, like come stay here. And show the parlor side. This is a 3-bedroom house. Yeah. So the parlor is very sizable. We'll have like we can't make this a very nice patch of our. If you go so far, my voice will not entirely mind.
Yeah, I just wanted to show them how the length.
Okay. So we're going to have like a couch here. Very nice.
It would be so nice to do like the before and after.
Yeah, we're going to have like a couch here. Our TV will be there. And then this area here, we're planning to make it, it's meant to be the dining, but we're planning to make it like our workstation.
Dining slash workstation.
Workstation, yeah. So we're not getting those very big dining tables because number one, we don't have a big family, and we're making like floating tables here. We can walk here and like a mini bar. And then it comes into the kitchen. It's a nice size. It's not the biggest kitchen out there, but it's nice. I don't like these walls, you know. I'm trying to refurbish it, but not a lot of costly changes. So I can't break the tile. I'll probably figure out something, looking at stick or wallpapers or something. But it's nice. It has storage already. Yeah. I like the marble stuff. I probably will keep it this brown because changing it to white is a lot of stress. So we're fixing
you took out the door of the store, so there'll be space instead of the door swinging around.
For the store they took.
Yeah, so there won't be any obstruction. I can't even see. There's no light here. Yeah. Light in the kitchen, but there's no light in the store. Give them a tour of the rest of the house.
This is our pantry. Baby, they not removed the door. They removed this door. We need this door.
Oh, okay. No, they removed that one. Why? So there'll be. Door. It was this door they were supposed to remove.
Yeah, so you find out why they took out that door. Do you get?
I thought it was even this door. No, it was this one they're supposed to remove.
No, we should put this door back, please. We need the door. Then you come into the house. There's a small bathroom here.
There's a visitor's bathroom here. And then you walk in. I think you're here, so.
Yeah. And we have the first room. So we're thinking of making this room it has a bathroom.
It's really dark.
It's dark?
Yeah.
It's okay. We're not putting lights yet. We're still working. It has a nice storage. So my baby is going to be using this to put his clothes.
And this is my office.
And this is going to be his office / gaming room. So he's going to be
recording.
Yeah, he's thinking of doing YouTube in the long run. You guys should hype him because I feel he'll do well. Yeah, I do, baby. So he's going to be here. He's thinking of making a floating shelf right here, floating table rather, and then he'll sit. Just a nice man's house for him.
Yeah.
It's a nice size too. And then we'll go into the next room. This is going to be my filming room.
Yeah, it's calling.
But it's not stopping the recording.
No, it's not.
Don't worry. So this is going to be my filming room / recording room. I already have them doing some work. So I saw on Kelechi's channel where she did her lights up. And because this room is so small, I know I want lights, but I don't want to feel claustrophobic with all the tripods and stuff. You can see this room is brighter than that one, Bobby.
Yeah,
two windows are here, so I already snagged it for myself. I told my baby, I'm like, you already know. So I already have sockets putting up there on all four corners. So when they come, they'll screed the roof. Turn to me, don't worry. So when they come, they'll screed the walls.
Change the ceiling, POP.
Change the ceiling. This ugly purple color is going.
It's not ugly, it's cute.
Ugly.
It's
I
not.
don't like it. Very ugly.
It's not.
I don't like it.
I don't like it, but it's still cute.
It's ugly.
It's cute.
It's ugly.
It's cute.
It's ugly. We're painting this white.
Sure.
And then pre-painting the handles black to look nicer. It has a bathroom as well. So that's going to be like my storage for my makeup. I'm not showing you the bathrooms because
It's terrible.
they're terrible.
We have a lot of plumbing work.
But we're going to work on it gradually. This is
I'm not
our
rushing
master
anything.
bedroom.
Master bedroom, the biggest room in the house.
Yeah. So we're really planning to make this very cozy. I'm begging my baby, let's put TV here. He's saying no.
No TV in the bedroom.
So we're not having TVs here.
We have other things to keep us entertained.
Like what, babe? I told you TV will not make me.
Pum 5,000. Next. Keep us entertained. You don't need a TV.
So this is
Huge.
the storage. We'll probably share this storage.
Yeah,
So just like regular
like
daily stuff.
80% yours, 20% mine.
That's a very proper arrangement. I love that.
It's okay now. I don't have a lot of clothes, not like you.
I love that arrangement. You're smart.
You have a shit ton of clothes. I don't. So.
We have a bathroom here. It has a tub. It's nice. That has some work to be done. Maybe we're going to put a mirror inside here.
A what?
A mirror.
Yeah.
Right on this wall here. So
That's adorable.
get him ready. So that's it. And we have a compound to ourselves as well. We're not living in like
Like a bar, like a shared compound, which is nice.
Stop recording. Let's use the front camera in case it's going to. So yeah, that's our unfinished house tour. My baby's saying he still has sleepy feet because we're coming from his house this morning. I wanted us to do this before
Going to the gym.
all the renovations. Wow, you're very focused. Before all the renovations are done. So yeah, thank you so much for watching if you did up until this time.
Wish us luck, guys.
Wish us all the best of luck trying to fix up our place. And babe, do you have anything else to say? I was saying I'm so happy that we're not living in like you know those flats that have neighbors that will be. We have neighbors now, obviously. We're not living in the middle of nowhere.
Not because of anything else, simply because we don't want the noise, especially when she's recording. So it's best to, I mean,
Listen how quiet.
The entire place is quiet, so she can record without.
That's something we really wanted, so I'm really happy we got that. Yeah, so wish us luck. Thank you so much for watching. This video might go up as one and it might go up as a part of something else. Anyhow.
Or maybe need to go up as a part of like before and after when we fix the place. Or maybe notes. This one will go up first, so you guys will see the next step.
He wants this one to go up first, but this is our first. This is like our first house together, and our first piece of
like
earth.
7 of the 14 children will be born.
No, we're not having 14 children, and we're definitely not having 7 children in this house.
Okay, 2 of the 14.
Maybe.
Okay.
Give this video a thumbs up. Why you put my money back in my pocket? Bye guys.